Hey guys, Ben from Hilltop Packs. Are you afraid you might lose your keys or your wallet or even your passport while you're out hiking on the trail? We've got a solution for you. This is the sticky back wallet or sticky back zipper pouch, whatever you want to call it. This will stick to pretty much any laminated backpack. So like Ultra Fabrics, could be Dyneema, could anything with a laminated liner on the inside of your backpack, it'll stick to. And we'll talk about that in just a second. The thing only weighs less than a ½ ounce. It does have the adhesive on the back. It's got a waterproof zipper. The seams are sealed. It does fit a passport. It'll fit your wallet. And it'll fit, you're not gonna take all these keys, but it'll fit like your car keys and some basic keys while you're on the trail. That way you don't lose anything. Some people put this in their food bags, in their dry bags. I put mine in my backpack like most people do. I already have one installed in here. I'm gonna show you how to do it. But typically where you wanna put it is on either this side of the backpack or this side, but on the inside, obviously. Maybe like right above the shoulder straps or just right below. You gotta figure out where you're gonna roll down, and kind of right at that roll down point, that's where you wanna put that wallet. So I'm gonna open this thing up, kind of show you where I stuck it. Your best bet is to go ahead and turn your backpack inside out and apply it that way. So let me show you what that looks like. Right there. So the zipper pouch is attached to the inside of the backpack. And it is semi-removable, so you can peel this thing off if you need to. And we do have new adhesive patches. You can actually apply it to a new backpack if you need to. But everything is attached. Use the tabs, open up and close right here. Put all your stuff inside there, but I already have it inside this one. But that'll safely keep your keys, your wallet, anything you want to keep secure that you're going to access maybe once a day, once a week, or just once per trip. Great place to keep all your personal stuff that you're not going to access every 5 seconds. Hey, Albie. So that's the new sticky wallet back. That is loud. The new sticky back wallet from Hilltop Packs. Available right now. New improved version, a little bit taller. Hold your passport. There you go.